Don't do that. त्यो नगर्नुहोस्. Don't do that. Don't do that. त्यो नगर्नुहोस्. Let's enjoy. Let's enjoy. रमाइलो गरौँ. Let's enjoy. रमाइलो गरौँ. Don't give me false praise. मलाई झुटो प्रशंसा नगर्नुहोस्. Don't give me false praise. False praise. Don't give me false praise. मलाई झुटो प्रशंसा नगर्नुहोस्. Don't give me false praise. Don't tell me that. मलाई त्यो नभन्नुहोस्. Don't tell me that. मलाई त्यो नभन्नुहोस् है. Don't tell me that. Help me please. कृपया मलाई सहयोग गर्नुहोस्. Help me please. Help me please. कृपया मलाई सहयोग गर्नुहोस्. Give me a hand. Give me a hand. मलाई हात दिनुहोस्. Give me a hand. मलाई हात दिनुहोस्. Give me a hand. Go ahead. अगाडि जानुहोस्. Go ahead. अगाडि जानुहोस्. Go ahead. I'm on my way. म बाटोमा छु. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. म बाटोमा छु. I'm on my way. You are wasting your time. You are wasting your time. हजुरले आफ्नो समय खेर फाल्दै हुनुहुन्छ. You are wasting your time. You are wasting your time. हजुरले आफ्नो समय खेर फाल्दै हुनुहुन्छ. You are wasting my time. हजुरले मेरो समय बर्बाद गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ. You are wasting my time. हजुरले मेरो समय बर्बाद गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ. You are wasting my time. I can do it. म यो गर्न सक्छु. I can do it. म यो गर्न सक्छु. I can do it. No, I cannot do it. No, I cannot do it. अथवा No, I can't do it. होइन म यो गर्न सक्दैन. No, I can't do it. I cannot believe it. म यो विश्वास गर्न सक्दैन. I cannot believe it. I cannot believe it. म यो विश्वास गर्न सक्दैन. I can't cook very well. I cannot cook very well. म त्यति राम्रो पकाउन सक्दैन. I cannot cook very well. म त्यति राम्रो पकाउन सक्दैन. She is good at cooking. She is good at cooking. उनी पकाउनमा राम्री छिन्. She is good at cooking. उनी पकाउनमा राम्री छिन्. I don't have time. मसँग समय छैन. I don't have time. I don't have time. मसँग समय छैन. I don't have time. Why? What happened? Why? What happened? किन के भयो? Why? What happened? Why? What happened? किन के भयो? Don't act like you know nothing. Don't act like you know nothing. केही थाहा नभई जस्तो नाटक नगर. Don't act like you know nothing. What do you mean? हजुरले भन्न खोजेको के हो? What do you mean? What do you mean? हजुरले भन्न खोजेको के हो? Are you blaming me? तिमीले मलाई दोष दिँदैछौ. Are you blaming me? तिमीले मलाई दोष दिँदैछौ. Are you blaming me? Don't make things up. Don't make things up. कुरा नबनाऊ. Don't make things up. कुरा नबनाऊ. No need to hide anything. No need to hide anything. केही पनि लुकाउन आवश्यक छैन. No need to hide anything. केही पनि लुकाउन आवश्यक छैन. Tell me everything frankly. Tell me everything frankly. सबै कुरा मलाई खुलेर भन. Tell me everything frankly. Tell me everything frankly. सबै कुरा मलाई खुलेर भन. I will do whatever you say. I will do whatever you say. तिमीले जे भन्छौ म त्यही गर्नेछु. I will do whatever you say. तिमी जे भन्छौ म त्यही गर्छु. Say sorry. माफी माग. Say sorry. माफी माग. Please forgive me. मलाई माफ गरिदेऊ. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. मलाई माफ गरिदेऊ. I won't forgive you. म तिमीलाई माफ गर्दैन. I won't forgive you. म तिमीलाई माफ गर्दैन. I will not forgive you. म तिमीलाई माफ गर्ने छैन. I will not forgive you. I will not forgive you. म तिमीलाई माफ गर्ने छैन. You hurt me. You hurt me. तिमीले मलाई चोट पुर्यायो. You hurt me. You hurt me. तिमीले मलाई चोट पुर्यायो. तिमीले मलाई विश्वासघात गर्यौ. You betrayed me. You betrayed me. तिमीले मलाई विश्वासघात गर्यौ. You betrayed me. You took advantage of me. You took advantage of me. तिमीले मेरो फाइदा उठायौ. You took advantage of me. तिमीले मेरो फाइदा उठायौ. You cheated me. तिमीले मलाई ठग्यौ. You cheated me. You cheated me. तिमीले मलाई ठग्यौ. तिमीले गलत बाटो देखायौ. You misled me. You misled me. तिमीले मलाई गलत बाटो देखायौ. You misled me. This is unfair. You अनुचित छ. This is unfair. This is unfair. You अनुचित छ. This is unfair. This is not fair. This is not fair. You न्यायपूर्ण छैन. This is not fair. This is not fair. You न्यायपूर्ण छैन. I want justice. म न्याय चाहन्छु. I want justice. म न्याय चाहन्छु. I want justice. I have equal right. I have equal right. मेरो बराबरको हक छ. I have equal right. I have equal right. मेरो बराबरको अधिकार छ. I want justice. म न्याय चाहन्छु. I want justice. म न्याय चाहन्छु. I want justice. Fulfill your responsibility. Fulfill your responsibility. आफ्नो दायित्व पूरा गर. आफ्नो दायित्व पूरा गर. Fulfill your responsibility. Do your duty. आफ्नो कर्तव्य गर. Do your duty. Do your duty. आफ्नो कर्तव्य गर. I believe in action. म कर्ममा विश्वास गर्छु. I believe in action. I believe in action. म कर्ममा विश्वास गर्छु. Hope for the best. राम्रो परिणामको आशा गर. Hope for the best. Hope for the best. राम्रो परिणामको आशा गर. Don't be disheartened. Don't be disheartened. Don't be disheartened. हरेस नखाऊ. हरेस नखाऊ. Don't be disheartened. What's your goal in life? What is your goal in life? What's your goal in life? तिम्रो जीवनको लक्ष्य के हो? What's your goal in life? Focus on your goals. Focus on your goals. आफ्नो लक्ष्यमा ध्यान देऊ. Focus on your goals. आफ्नो लक्ष्यमा ध्यान देऊ. Start right away. Start right away. तत्कालै सुरु गर. Start right away. तत्कालै सुरु गर. You can achieve anything. तिमीले जे पनि हासिल गर्न सक्छौ. You can achieve anything. तिमीले जे पनि हासिल गर्न सक्छौ. Look at the examples. उदाहरणहरू हेर. Look at the examples. You will get inspiration. तिमीले प्रेरणा पाउनेछौ. You will get inspiration. You will get inspiration. तिमीले प्रेरणा पाउनेछौ. Learn from others. अरूबाट सिक्नुस्. Learn from others. अरूबाट सिक्नुस्.